Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I'll be comparing Samsung keyboard and Google Gboard on Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, and I'll talk about three reasons why Samsung keyboard is way superior to Google's Gboard. And I'll be sharing with you one of my favorite features of Samsung keyboard later in this video, so make sure that you watch it till the end. And with that, let's get started. So if we go in settings and then go in general, scroll up, you can go in keyboard list and default, and from here you can change your keyboard. So now we are in Gboard, which is the Google's keyboard, and let's say we go in and start a new note, and here you will see this is how the Gboard looks. So we have the QWERTY keyboard here, we have the space button down here, then you have the emoji button at the top, we have got the numerical keyboard here, and this mic button which helps you dictate whatever it is that you want, and then you can go back. So it works pretty nicely, and it has always been fantastic even on Galaxy watches. So now if we change the default keyboard to Samsung keyboard now and go back in Google Keep, create a new note, Samsung keyboard comes up, and at first glance you might think that this is very bare bones. There is no emoji button, there is no mic button or anything like that. Well, it's all tucked inside here. So if you swipe up from the bottom of the display, all of these buttons will appear. So you have the mic button here, you have the emoji button, you have the English keyboard button, and then the numerical keyboard button. There is also a settings button, but you would see another button right here. So the reason why I'm saying that Samsung keyboard is so much better than Google keyboard is because of three main features. The first one is this one. So if you tap on this button here, you can actually just draw characters on the display and it will type them out. And once you get good at it, you can type using this gesture very quickly. You can also swipe on the keyboard to type whatever it is that you want, but swipe to type is also available on Google Gboard. So this next feature is a total game changer. This is how I type on my Galaxy Watch, and it is very easy to use. It's a default setting. You don't need to do anything for this feature. And all you have to do is long press the home button and start talking, and the watch will dictate whatever it is that you're talking pretty quickly. So now you have your text, you can just save it or send it, whatever it is that you want. So this is very quick. This feature does not exist on Gboard. It's only available on Samsung keyboard and works with Samsung keyboard alone. And the next feature that I want to talk about is actually tucked inside Samsung settings. So if you go in settings, go in general, here go in Samsung keyboard and scroll up. Now here you will see quite a few settings available. So we have predictive text, you can turn it on. We have auto replace, you can turn that on. Auto spacing can be turned on. Auto capitalize can be turned on. Double tap spacebar to add period can be turned on. But this is the setting that I'm talking about, text shortcuts. It is a fantastic feature. If you like typing on the keyboard, this will really speed up your typing speed. So if you go in here, you can actually create shortcuts on your phone. So let's go on the phone. So here you can see that I have created some shortcuts. If I type G, it would bring up Google. If I type Sam, it will bring up Samsung. S24 will bring up Galaxy S24 Ultra. YT will bring up YouTube, and USA will bring up United States of America. And you can create even more. So you can add your shortcut, add your expanded phrase, and then save it. So let me show you how this works. So if I type G here, it would bring up Google, and I can type that very quickly. If I type Sam, it would mean Samsung, and that would bring up, and I can type that pretty quickly. If I type YT, it would bring up YouTube, and I can add that. And if I type USA, it would bring up United States of America. So you can create these shortcuts, be very extensive with it on your phone, and then these shortcuts will show up on Samsung keyboard on your watch as well, and that way you can type very quickly using Samsung keyboard. These features are not available on Google Gboard. Now if we go in settings and then go in Google Gboard, you will see that we don't have many settings for Google Gboard. We only get languages, vibrate on key press, pop-up on key press, and glide typing, which is swipe to type. So Google Gboard is pretty simple when it comes to the Galaxy Watch, whereas Samsung keyboard is where the true value lies, where you can type pretty quickly using your voice, using these shortcuts, or by just drawing the characters. It's very versatile, gives you a lot of options, and you can type much more faster and accurately using Samsung keyboard. And that's pretty much it from this video, guys. I hope this was useful. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.